Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Soundcore Liberty 4 noise cancelling wireless earbuds that was sent over to me by Soundcore themselves for my honest review. Now I haven't really reviewed anything other than keyboards in the past for quite a while now, but Soundcore really wanted me to check these out, so I decided why not. They come at a price point of $99 and come in a variety of different colors, including white, black, light blue, dark blue, and pink. They feature amazing noise cancellation. They have 11mm custom drivers. They also have support for high-res audio. They also feature IPX4 water resistance, which I'm gonna have to take their word on because I am not putting these in water. They also have fast charging, which is 10 minutes of charging equals 4 hours of play, and 10 hours on a single charge. You get 50 hours with the charging case. Now unfortunately I have not had them long enough to be able to test the battery life usage and stuff, but so far they've been treating me quite well, so I don't really have any issues when it comes to that. They do also feature wireless charging, but I think the best feature of all is their simple connection. And what I mean by that is the fact that these support Google's fast connection to your Android device. It's very similar to what Apple has for the AirPods line of products. So think of it like that. Right when you take them out of the case, they should easily pair with your phone and vice versa. When it comes to wireless earbuds and sound quality, I've noticed that a lot of people just care that their earbuds sound at least decent. They care more about the features that these earbuds provide. And well, I have to say that these earbuds sound quality wise just sound decent. You know, for the price point of $100, I wasn't really expecting a lot, but in terms of sound quality and the price point that they're coming at, I definitely think they deliver in that department. Right out of the box, I feel like it's a bit too bassy and the vocals are a bit too muffled. Thankfully, inside the app, they have preset EQs that you can choose and see which one you like the best. But for me personally, I just went for the custom and then I just lowered the bass so it's not as bassy and boomy, and then raise the vocals and everything else so it sounds more vibrant and less muffled. That's just my personal preference, but the cool thing is these earbuds can sound exactly how you want them to because of those built-in EQ profiles or just a customizable one for yourself as well. When it comes to the fit of these earbuds, I do think they fit pretty snugly in your ears, and if you don't like the fit of these earbuds, they do have something in the software to tell you which side does it need a bigger size of ear tip, and of course they do include different sized ear tips inside the box as well to get that secure fit that you want, especially because you want to take advantage of the passive noise cancellation on top of the active noise cancellation as well for the best experience in that regards. On the topic of how they fit in my ears, I wanted to say that I used these when I was working out and I didn't really have any issues with them falling out. Of course, everyone's ears are different, but when it came to me personally, I didn't have any issues like that. So if you wanted to use these for working out, you definitely could. The active noise cancellation on these earbuds is really good and they have a lot of features for that because that's what these earbuds are focusing on. So they have presets per travel. So if you're on a plane, a bus, or anything like that, they have presets dedicated to removing that noise in those specific situations. So I just think it's very cool overall. They do have a lot going for them in those departments, and I think that's really what people want these earbuds for. Overall, these earbuds are not a bad purchase if you're looking for something under the $100 price point or right at the $100 price point and want something that at least has some pretty cool features and decent sound quality to go with it, plus some pretty good battery life as well. If you are interested in the Soundcore Liberty 4 NCs, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below, but let me know what you guys thought about these earbuds in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.